First off, I'd like to say thank you for inviting me to sing with you. I didn't know Taylor Swift was going to be our first, but it's an honor, SRS Mohan. Thank you for inviting me to sing with you. I think I know the song.
Girlfriend is upset. Keep going on
about something that you said that she doesn't get the humor like I do. I never it's difficult to stand. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know the story like I do. Okay, I know this part. But she I wear a t-shirt. I wear a t-shirt. She's chick up to that. I'm on the beaches. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that you've been looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see it, I'm the one who understands you. Being here all along. So why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Wow. Walking the streets with your worn jeans. A kid thinking this is how it ought to be. Lincoln in the park, pitching on the shelf like mine. Can't read very good. This is a little distracting.
I haven't seen
it in a while since she brought you down. Oh my God!
Girl like that.
She wears this is hard. Her wears sneakers. She's checking through them. I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been. This is wildly distracting. Understand you being around the world, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by your back door all this time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Okay, so I'm not too familiar with this song. It's like I've heard it a few times. So I'm really trying my best to sing it and remember it, but
you're driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who
no clue what this will even sound like.
About the time. I know
probably doesn't sound like that.
You tell me about your dream. I think I know where you belong. I think I know it with me. Can't you see that I am deep?
Understands you being here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing on the
back down.
All this time, how can you come? You don't know, baby. You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me. You just maybe belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me. That ruled. Thanks. Thank you, SRS.
பாட்டு கேளுங்க. ஆல்பர்ட் கால் வந்து கேளுங்க. சூப்பர். இல்ல சார் இத கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருவோம். கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருமா?
Great job.